In French, we use the verb avoir with a noun to express ownership or possession. In other words, to talk about things that you have. So if you want to say, I have a smartphone, I have a car, I have a dog, then this is the construction that you'll use. So we're going to use avoir with a noun to review the verb avoir, to practice, and to improve your vocabulary a little bit. So first, let's start with the vocabulary. A smartphone, un smartphone, un smartphone. A cell phone, un portable, un portable. A computer, un ordinateur, un ordinateur. A tablet, une tablette, une tablette. A laptop, un ordinateur portable, un ordinateur portable. So let's put together the vocabulary that you just learned with what you already know. You already know how to conjugate the verb avoir, as we've covered it in our previous lessons. So let's see just what we can do with this information that we have here on the screen. If you want to say, I have a smartphone, you would say, j'ai un smartphone, j'ai un smartphone. I have a cell phone, j'ai un portable, j'ai un portable. I have a computer, j'ai un ordinateur, j'ai un ordinateur. I have a tablet, j'ai une tablette, j'ai une tablette. I have a laptop, j'ai un ordinateur portable, j'ai un ordinateur portable. If you want to make the statement and say you have a smartphone, you would say tu as un smartphone, tu as un smartphone. You have a cell phone, tu as un portable, tu as un portable. You have a computer, tu as un ordinateur, tu as un ordinateur. You have a tablet, tu as une tablette, tu as une tablette. You have a laptop, tu as un ordinateur portable, tu as un ordinateur portable. Remember to ask a question, reverse the verb and subject pronoun word order. So to ask the question, do you have, you would say as-tu, and again notice we're not pronouncing the S. Tu as, as-tu. If you want to ask someone, do you have a smartphone? And remember, this is the familiar you for people that you know well. As-tu un smartphone? As-tu un smartphone? Do you have a cell phone? As-tu un portable? As-tu un portable? Do you have a computer? As-tu un ordinateur? As-tu un ordinateur? Do you have a tablet? As-tu une tablette? As-tu une tablette? Do you have a laptop? As-tu un ordinateur portable? As-tu un ordinateur portable? Okay, so just a little quiz now. How would you say I have a smartphone? Comment dit-on I have a smartphone en français? J'ai un smartphone. J'ai un smartphone. You have a cell phone. Tu as un portable. Tu as un portable. Do you have a tablet? As-tu une tablette? As-tu une tablette? Okay, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.